Hello traders, this is Ivan here. Yes, today is Sunday and markets are closed. Only you can trade during the weekends. You can trade crypto, and you see if we traded this few hours ago, we could enter this trade with Bitcoin. So this is of course V20 plus indicator strategy, not repainted strategy, which I offered this week in a promo offer. Get 4 products, indicators, extra advisors, and pay only 1. And this was the one you should pay and get 4 in the price of 1. I will remind you and show you this. So it was this fantastic package from offer, pay 1 get 4. So buying this, and this is the best indicator I have, V20 plus, for only 159, you could get any 2 products from my web page. Your choice, either EA or indicator, or my strategy or software. So you choose any 2. And the 4th product for free bonus product is free pro signal service 3 month, worth 159. It is a mistake, worth 189 euros. So this was actual last 3 days, but the promo is not valid today. But I will give a special possibility to only 1 more customer today. So it is chance for the first one which will send me email about it, and 1 only more today. I will give the chance possibility to any of you which will contact me first, because it was a great demand, interest for it, and many of you were late. So today first one can get this special promo, pay 1 get 4. So it starts now until the first one will contact me, and then it will be over. Also, I want to remind you for one fantastic offer also, which we have here for many months. This is for you which maybe like to have all my products. Maybe you like all my indicators, all my extra advisors, all you want to have everything I have on my web page. This is a free special bundle packages. So if you buy all my 14 indicators, you will pay only 597, save 1,100 euro, which you will have to pay if you pay a regular price. Or maybe you like my extra advisors, only 797, you save 2,400. And third option, which many of you used, all my 25 products, extra advisors, indicators, and you get also 1 year for life signal service, plus my private strategy number 2. But today only, for the first one only, I will get you this option for the price of this. So all my products, 25 products, plus you get my private strategy, plus you get 1 year signal service free, all for 797. So here if you calculate the regular price, you pay maybe only 10%, 15% of regular price. So everything I have, plus signal service, plus my private strategy, for only 797. And this is valid only today and only for first one which will contact me. Guys, it will be all for today. Have a nice weekend. See you next time, guys.